morning, YouTube. How are you all today? I'm waiting for Andrew and Braden to arrive. We're gonna get down to business. I'm gonna finish editing 2 vlogs. Once again, I didn't upload yesterday. My apologies. I got a lot of studying to do. My first test is Friday. Our first show is Thursday. Anyway, hope you all are doing well. I'm excited. We're excited. Get excited. Game of Thrones. Guess what? Look what we got! 3 chest hair. No, got these in today. They're so soft. Buy one. Do it. Alright, well, we are gonna get food now. Because we're hungry. Alex is going to New York. I don't know, can I say that? Is it a surprise? No. It's not a surprise?
It's not a surprise.
It's not a surprise. Alex is going all the way up to New York. He's driving there. That's like an incredible distance. It's like 10 hours of driving.
Yeah, and then he's coming back like tomorrow.
Shoo!
Or something.
Dedicated BF. Going to see Shay. Doing an equestrian thing. I don't know what it is, but something to do with horses, so that's cool. And then yes, Jason will be here tomorrow. And we'll probably practice some tomorrow as well. Yeah, so healthy. The Jesus tears look good though.
Bang.
That's good.
That was good coming out with Cat Taifi.
Okay. Cat Taifi.
You can film each other filming too. And then you can have like a little number counter in the bottom of the screen. Like 2, 3, 4. And then, like,
So we came in here to sign a chicken petition with Clockwood Father Time. And now we're filming him bringing out Cat Taifi.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good, dude.
Oh shit. Looks like we're ready to eat some Cat Taifi, boys.
What are you doing?
Shut up.
Why are you doing
I
that?
had a rough childhood.
Is that okay to do? Right from the start. Dude, this always looks like someone's just like right in front of me with the camera. Just backing up while I walk forward. And I also do this sometimes. Like one of these guys, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, it's like, here's over my shoulder.
That's kinda cool.
I can do that with mine. I just go like this.
You could. Wanna see? Yeah. I feel like this is like a 3rd-person shooter game. Look guys, Andrew's doing it too.
What I'm doing, huh?
It looks kinda cool.
He's jealous of my new model.
It's my arm.
Yep. Yeah, I lost. They were like, we'll take them home to clean them, and then they like threw them in their dirty laundry, and then they got dispersed. Some went to their house and never came back. Some went to their rooms and never
I don't even
left.
know. I'll figure it out.
Like,
but like,
that they used outside.
I think I'll be able to
for,
keep
like,
stuff
oil
in
and
there
stuff,
no
so
matter
it's
what.
just
Since
everywhere.
like I'm taking over.
And I was like,
I'll have storage there. no matter what.
Summer rain, thunderstorm, finally here for me. Later on, we drowned ourselves in the blinding city light. Yeah, we made an evil trade. And the waves turned to white. So I think we're getting ready to head to my house. Well, I know we're getting ready to head to my house so I can upload yesterday's vlog so Andrew can finish and upload one of his vlogs.
Just one.
You only have one left?
No, well, after the one I'm doing.
You got 2 left.
I got 7.
Tell him to get on that.
I'm getting my shoes on too.
Unlimited ice cream, babe. No way, Dean. Dean's got unlimited ice cream.
Where can we get some of that?
Where can we get some of that for you?
I'm reading these funny things. Like, historical marker. In this room, on April 22nd, 1968, a marital argument was won by the man of the house.
There goes Braden. Taking off in a golf. Oh gosh. He's still alive.
Taking the top off.
It's convertible now.
Top down.
I didn't like the roof anyways.
So we're just chilling playing GTA. Andrew's finishing up his vlogs. Finally, that he's a bit late on. Nice job.
Thanks.
We made some lasagna and we're all having a brew or two. Just hanging out, doing guy things. Lasagna.
Thank you, people.
Sierra Nevada.
Great work. Really
GTA. -nya. Brady Braden. -nya.
Dude, it's a thing.
Alright, well, we are picking out the rest of Alex's birthday gift.
Watch out, Alex. You don't know it is. Surprise.
That's right, I'm not even gonna tell you, Lex. Pretty late, it's like 1:30, but I don't know. We have nothing to do tomorrow. But anyway, I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks so much for watching. Click that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new, and feel free to tell others about this channel that you think might enjoy it. Also, check out Simply Udin's channel. I'm gonna be helping him with his artwork and stuff for his channel soon. I guess that's what he said, so that's probably what I'll do.
He's going to. He's going to.
Okay, well, I'm going to. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and as always, friends. Brayden, you do it.
Don't forget to wipe. Is that close enough?
Perfect.
Well, let me help you there.